Warming across the valley today. McAllen hit 94. That's a record. Most of the valley in the upper 80s and low 90s, but we've cooled off since then. Everybody's in the 70s right now, including Harlingen at 72, Brownsville 73. Everybody else 72 to 76 across the region. Overnight tonight, we're not going much of anywhere. Here's where we start the day tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. When you wake up right around 70 or so. Take off a couple if you're in the western part of the valley. And then look at tomorrow's highs. Back over 90 across most of the valley. Brownsville 88, you may touch 90 as well. The island much cooler because of the effects of all the water being so cool out there. But everybody else a very warm day. Then tomorrow night, look at that, a little bit cooler. A cool front comes in early in the morning on Thursday. Instead of bottoming out at 70, we drop into the mid-60s. Not a big change, but a little bit of one. Future track holds us in the 70s on Thursday afternoon. I think a lot of us will probably touch the 80-degree mark briefly Thursday. And then Friday, we start the warming trend again. We start in the 60s, and by afternoon, back in the 80s, and we'll continue that warming trend all the way into the weekend. Average high for early to mid-February is about 73, almost 20 degrees warmer than that tomorrow, way above average. 81 the expected high on Thursday, and then back to 83 on Friday. Not much cloud cover wise. Fog, yes, but that'll burn off pretty quickly tomorrow. We end up partly to mostly sunny, and as you saw, very warm. We go on into Thursday. You see that front go through? Makes it just a little bit cooler. 80 instead of 90 kind of thing. And then Friday we see a few more clouds, but we also see temperatures beginning to warm up. Friday probably a mostly cloudy day, but Thursday and Friday are both mainly dry. Your chance of rain stands at about 10% for Thursday and Friday. Rest of Texas tonight, mild, 64 right now in Dallas, 57 in Abilene, 58 in San Antonio. The state capital is at 56 degrees tonight. One front on the map moving away. Here comes another one into the state. Not here tomorrow, so we're very warm. It is here Thursday, so we're not as warm. Friday, we're warming up again. I think by the weekend, temperatures are pushing 90 again. Then early next week, another front doesn't show up yet on this map, but by early next week, we could see a pretty good cool down and an increased chance for some showers. In the morning, temperatures at the coast about 74, southerly winds, UV's high, rip current is low. Your surf temperature is at 69 degrees. Your air temperature about 70 by tomorrow evening. Here are the tides. There are two. The low tide 6:32 in the morning, then the high tide with a light chop on the bay. So tonight about 67 for a low, a cool evening, relatively speaking, with fog showing up later on. Tomorrow back up to 92, fog in the morning, but then sunshine and near record high temperatures again. 92, then only 81 on Thursday, back to 83 on Friday. Then look, by Sunday, we're back to 91. But note, Monday and Tuesday, 65 and 63. We'll talk more about next week's cool down coming up in the next half hour. But that's next week. This week, at least tomorrow, stays hot. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.